Hi everyone, welcome to another episode on Rem's Family Farm channel. I just learned something and I figured I was going to share with you. After reading a little bit on it, it turned out to be true, and apparently it's pretty amazing. So I'm here at the community garden harvesting my beans and carrots, and someone tells me that the leafy part of a carrot is not only edible, but it's actually pretty good. I knew it was edible, I didn't know what to do with it, and I didn't know it was such a nice little treat. Did you know that the carrots was actually in the same family as parsley and coriander and all those other herbs? That's right. That means you can take the carrots, eat the root, but you can also eat the leafy part. Dehydrate it and use it for later as a spice or as little additive to anything you want to cook, or simply use a green and put it in a salad or in a soup. Of course that happens. What I do with those greens, I give them to the rabbit. And I'm still gonna harvest the carrots somehow. But if you take your time and you bring it slowly, usually you'll get the carrot and the leaves. And you can also do a little bit of digging around it to be sure to remove some resistance from the carrot. As you can see, they're not all working well, but take your time, pull slowly most of the time. Beautiful carrot and beautiful leaves. A few tricks for the carrots. One thing I didn't do early on, remove all the weeds. Don't let any weed grow next to your carrots, because this will literally slow down the carrot. If you want to have nice, beautiful, long and large carrots, a lot of compost, nice loose soil. This one here is at the community garden, has a few rocks, but that's not a big deal. It will only make like the carrots a little bit with a little bit of curves, I guess, but it's not a big deal. But you want to have some nice soil, rich in compost, and you want to remove all those weeds early on as soon as they start popping out. Now, I didn't do it, and my carrots are not that huge, but I did it for a little while, and I am still harvesting a bunch of beautiful and delicious carrots. So let me know in the comments below if you yourself have been trying to harvest the leaves, if you've ever tried eating them, using them as a spice, if you have any other tricks for me maybe, leave me a comment down below, and let me know also if you've never tried, if this video changed your mind, and hopefully you will be able to harvest some beautiful carrots with the green leaves, and hopefully, you know, reduce the waste and give you some more nutrients. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.